Dogecoin. Doge really is a mineable coin that generally is presently exchanged at $0.076572 per unit. With the market capitalization of $10,755,848,914, that in every practical sense makes it a mid-position digital money, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin for the most part have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for by and large huge institutional financial backers, who sort of see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an exceptionally successful truly support against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a sort of enormous manner. In this way, having basically a piece of the portfolio committed to crypto generally is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer, who generally needs to, in a real sense, develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, with it really comes the need to intently, in a real sense, follow the improvements on the express market to grasp what is happening, and for the most part, have some feeling representing things to come in an unobtrusive manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model in every practical sense was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, truly track down the best coins or tokens to explicitly put resources into, and in a real sense, keep the value bend filling in an especially significant manner. Yet, prior to digging into the inside and out Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to, in a real sense, help you to remember the fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and venture, or so they thought. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its in every practical sense current standings, as well as the midterm and long-haul cost forecast that basically depends on the readings of our sort of exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remains at $0.076572, and this sort of specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 7th foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which truly is very critical. For decently your data, the genuinely positioning of each and every cryptographic money certainly is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to amazingly. Likewise, to by and large get a very better truly handle of the market circumstance and fundamentally grasp the extremely broad course of the pattern, or to basically enlist its non-appearance. It's additionally essential to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Recently, on August 4th, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters remained at $0.073666 at the end of the sort of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 2.71% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing value 7 days prior. On July 29th, the Dogecoin market most certainly remained at $0.077335 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Incredibly, as the outcome, the cost commonly moved by 0% comparable to its certainly present standing. A month prior, on July 5th, Dogecoin basically was valued at $0.067041, which in a real sense matched with our cost expectation for that especially specific period, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the by and large present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 14.22% value move. When it comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves substantially more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as a vital point or to for the most part be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, an essentially significant way. It essentially is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense complete number of coins that especially are as of now available for use, coursing supply, by the for the most part current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now, sort of stands at $0.076572 in a very significant manner. Considering that recipe, we truly have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to in every practical sense be at $10,755,848,914, which legitimizes its place as the seventh coin among this present on the digital currency market. Or so they basically thought. Recently, on August 4, the market capitalization of Dogecoin in every practical sense remained at $10,345,939,874. Certainly keep going weak. On July 29, the aggregate sum of essentially capital committed to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $10,854,959,120. The information from a month prior, enrolled on July 5, truly shows that Dogecoin by and large had a market capitalization of $9,389,365 truly 962. Total stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and generally are either flowing available or secured, and designers or alternately holders truly chilly wallets, or so the thought. The kind of complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that essentially have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which sort of is very huge. It can explicitly measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the securities exchange, which in a real sense is very huge. The absolute stock of Dogecoin presently for the most part remains at 140,466,456,384 Doge, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock in every way that really matters is the most normally involved pretty measurement for deciding the market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which is very critical. It relates with the in a real sense the best guess of the in every way that really matters, in general number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades, and truly add to their liquidity, showing how the truly all-out supply of Dogecoin as of now for the most part remains at 140,466,456,384 Doge, or so they thought. Their volume doesn't in every practical sense incorporate the coins that fundamentally are vested, marked in truly brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or sort of put unavailable for general use, which generally is genuinely critical. The coursing supply really is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, which by and large is very huge. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin truly is assessed at 144,466,456,384 Doge. Additionally, the perusing of exchanging volume can in every practical sense assist one with basically deciding sort of better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the standards of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or solidifications frequently happen at the cost levels that generally are joined by generally in every way that really matters, high volume, since those sort of are the volumes where large cash fundamentally had basically come into certainly play. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the